Howdy folks, welcome back. So here we are at the seed site at October 20th of 2020, and I'll let the loop play there for a second and see if you can notice what happened there. Okay, here I've freeze framed it on this frame at 512, and we have what appears to be a bunch of streaks going through here. And we've talked about camera anomalies and stuff, but this one just doesn't look like a camera anomaly. There's a lot going on in these, and I'm going to zoom into some of this stuff, and I'll show you here. Okay, here I've tried to zoom in on one of these. This one appears to be going up this direction. Here's our lead little object and this streak of a tail going this way, indicating it's kind of going up at this angle right here. Let's see if I can zoom in just a tad bit more on it. Oh, it's about as close as we can get there, but here we have an object that appears to be going this direction, all right? So this was our little object as we zoom out, and if you look around, you'll see other streaks going this same direction. Here's one right here, and most of the picture is of them going that direction. But then as I zoomed in, I looked closer, and we have ones that are going the opposite direction here. If you look in here, you'll see ones with a tip on this side and the streak going back this way. We have ones that are streaking in. Here's one right here. Here's one right there that are coming down. Let's see if we can zoom in a little better, if you can see that. Some of these streaks right here, are pointing down, while other ones are pointing upwards. So I don't think this is just some kind of glitch or whatever. I think this is a real reading. And, you know, if you listen to some of these other channels, we've heard of debris fields coming, and also that we're passing through the tail of Halley's Comet, too. So I believe this is probably a real reading here as we back out and look at it in full again. Something passed in between the sun and this camera, a big debris cloud of objects going in two directions, going one way and the other, which tells me this is like a cloud of swirling debris. The debris is actually swirling around, moving this way, turning, and then coming back down. So we got some kind of debris cloud here. And I'll back it up a little bit. We'll go the frame before, and there's nothing. Go another frame before it. There's a small little streak coming in this way, which is a different direction. There's one coming off this way. So these are the frames leading up to this. And then there's some kind of V-shape action going on over here. Let's go to the next frame. And the next frame, most of it's gone, but there's still one streak. And note how the instrument's reacting right here. Let's go back one more. See this? The instrument's reacting to this event. So something did happen here that caused our instrument to react with the blue and red X's around here. Go to the next frame. It's still here. There's one last little streak streaking through. The next frame, it's gone. And then we get one of these residual residue frames from, you know, a lot of activity. Sometimes we still show up a couple of frames later. So let's put this back into motion again. There's a couple of blinks on the sun, a little activity, and then bam, we get that full screen of streaks. And then as I wrap it up here, we'll leave it on this screen right here so you can look around a little bit. Some of these streaks are brighter in intensities. Look at this one down here. So something's going on here. Some are really faded, some are really bright, some have, you know, streaks that go all the way across the screen. Other ones are just catching the tails. Here's another good one, an example of here's the start of a streak going back. That one would be going up this way. So we got, you know, objects going in multiple directions in this. So that tells me that there's something going on in here. And I believe this is probably some kind of debris tail or, some debris field that we just captured. So I thought I'd bring that to you. I love you all. And until my next video, bye.